So to make a DIY foot pedal for the Jeep when your doors are off, we're going to use a driver head here that we're not going to use anymore. It's not worth putting a new shaft on it. It's not even worth the driver. So that'll make a nice foot pedal for us. Here's all the tools you'll need. Epoxy, drill, 5/16 inch drill bit on there, and that's what we've got here. Some 5/16 inch by 18 millimeter, and then a tie nut right here. That'll go with that. So we'll just go see what length we'll need to cut. Oh, that's so hot. Careful, this is going to be really hot once you drill it. As you can see, don't need much here. We'll cut it down right here. So we'll just go ahead and trim that spot off. We'll go a little bit longer. I can get my leg up here. Oh yeah, y'all didn't know it's flexible. That's one way to get down. So we're gonna go ahead and epoxy the side that we cut, because that one's probably not gonna work as well. It probably will, but I can see there's a bit of trouble there. But this side, which is fabricated, goes on nice and smooth. So JB Weld is 50/50, 1-to-1, and then stir it up. This will be the cleanest job, because it is, after all, a DIY. We're gonna put as much of that as in there as we can. Alright, that's full. Pretty full. So we'll take our little piece here, and we'll just go right in. And just leave that to set for 24 hours. Be good enough.